Excellent. We have discussed cloud engineering term earlier also. I want to talk about it once again, basically in the light of all the things that you talked about. And can you also, just kind of reaffirm that what exactly it means and how different it is from when we do talk about cloud native? Because if you look at cloud native is not a thing. It's, once again, the way we do things. And also, if we also talk a lot about infrastructure as a code, so is there any difference between these two? What are the overlaps? How would you define it?
Yeah, I think cloud engineering to me is the next phase after DevOps. DevOps has really laid this amazing foundation over the last decade of bringing a lot more engineering practices to the way we do operations. But I think of cloud engineering as two things. One, bringing the cloud closer to developers. So developers can think of the cloud as really an extension of their application architecture. Really think of managed services as exciting components and building blocks for building these powerful distributed applications that are sort of born in the cloud, while at the same time bringing software engineering best practices to the way we manage infrastructure to help tame the complexity. Things like, sharing and reuse of best practices, testing, continuous delivery of infrastructure alongside the application code. And really, by doing that, cloud engineering allows both developers and infrastructure teams to work closer together. Now, I will say security is sort of in the loop as well, and increasingly we see that becoming part of the inner loop of how folks are doing cloud engineering. So that's what it is to me. I think cloud native. Everybody has a sort of different definition of cloud native, but I think of cloud engineering as more the practice, the discipline, very similar to sort of DevOps.